Hello guys, I'm back again with another cocktail and it is called the punch. Well, punch is India's best kept secret to Indians, to us Indians. Well, most of us may think that nahi, punch to hai. We have these fruit punches which are often served in banquet functions and a lot of these smaller restaurants, and that punch is a gloopy mess of fruit juice and cream. But that's not the real punch. Punch goes back to centuries now. The earliest written reference of punch is when a British man wrote to his colleague back there saying that come to India and we'll meet over punch. A German factory manager in Surat wrote about the punch, saying that the locals have a mixture of aqua vitae, rose water, spices and a few other ingredients, and that was the punch. So punch comes from the Hindi punch, which means 5, because there are 5 ingredients. Which are those 5 ingredients? Starting with strong, which is alcohol, weak, which is water or tea, sweet, sugar, sour, lemon juice, and last one is spice. So these 5 ingredients combine together to form the punch. Does punch have a written recipe or a classic recipe? No. Punch has no written recipe and it has a white canvas. You can choose to to make it the way you like. So today I am making a punch which is Goa inspired, and we call it Maria Auntie's punch. Let's start to make it. So to start with, 20 ml of lemon juice, that's the sour, 40 ml of spiced sugar syrup. I have spiced it with black cardamom and cinnamon. Goa's favorite, Feni. I've used the coconut Feni. The original punch recipes used to have arak, then which was replaced with rum by the English. And then today we thought that because it's Goa inspired, we should showcase something that was very close to the original, that was the coconut arak, and we've used the coconut Feni. And lastly, we have a very mild 80 ml of jasmine tea, and we speak of Mogra from Goa. And now we throw this and our punch shall be ready. So throwing is done so that we could actually mix difficult ingredients like sugar syrup, which requires a little bit of shaking to kind of mix it with other ingredients, and hence we threw the drink so that all the ingredients come together. Now we take a glass and we fill it with some nice ice, and we use the punch that we had thrown and top it up. So the color would change based on the kind of ingredients used. You can have a darker shade if you use rum, and then we quickly garnish it. I'm here garnishing it with some lime slices. It just adds some color and some refreshment to the drink, and so that it looks pretty, and a straw to enjoy the drink. So that's our punch ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe of the punch. This is one recipe. This is the Goa inspired recipe. This is an ode to Maria Aunty, and you can try it. In fact, punch is made in these big bowls or big punch bowls, which are stainless steel or glass, where finally a ladle is put in, where people of the community of friends and family, they all help themselves out from the ladle. So you can try making a big punch, and it could be a very nice drink for your next house party. So till the time I come back again, cheers.